So here we have gathered in order to have a DT based discussion about temperature control on closed loop HVAC solutions for industrial and commercial buildings. Temperature control plays a major role in industrial and commercial buildings where it directly affects the efficiency. So we have to continuously monitor, or we have to set an automatic monitoring control system in order to have a good efficiency in both industrial and commercial buildings. Now let us go on to the sensors and drives and what are all the control systems implemented in order to make this process efficient.
I am Karthik. I am going to introduce our topic. So closed loop temperature control enhances stable indoor climate, and we focus on reliability and energy efficiency.
As part of empathy, I am Trishka. Here we are talking about sensors and feedback. It is used for a real-time temperature and airflow. Used to make a correction, like moved about like algorithm. Control algorithms like PID and NPC. PID and NPC model to control adaptive system frequency, and together make our control algorithm and feedback, sensor feedback can make a system smart and stable.
So here in temperature control, so sensors and controllers plays a major role. So sensors, what it will do is it will send some parameter and give us some data, and with that data we can send it to the controller where the data is corrected and it is checked whether the required data is there or not. So if the required data is not satisfied, then the controller will reorganize the data and give us the required feedback. So sensors and controllers plays a major role in temperature control.
Now I'm going to explain about the air part, actuators and integrations. Actuator executes control commands with precision and responsiveness. Integration via BAC net or Modbus and secure APIs enables coordinated control across HVAC assets and BMS, supporting scalable deployments and remote commission. Part of prototype fault detection. Automatic fault detector uses sensor diagnostic and anomaly detection and rule-based alarms to identify the performance deviation early. Timely alerts and root cause links reduces downtime and prevent energy through the proactive interventions.
I am here to talk about the testing of this process. We have to test various parts like the sensors and the temperature and the changes. Based on sensors, we need to check humidity sensor and temperature sensors, so that it can work correctly. And we need to check on the temperatures and the workability of the process, and we need to check on sudden temperature changes and sudden humidifyings. Usually used in malls, theaters, and party halls, etc. To calculate how temperature changes and how it varies.
About ensuring safety, follow all the rules and guidelines. Wear all the protective equipments. Check the equipments are right in condition.
This topic provides an excellent case study for the students to the real world HVAC and implements and evaluate system opportunities.
So dear students, I guess this presentation have gained you knowledge about temperature control, and this temperature control is everywhere done both in industrial and commercial buildings, and nowadays this type of case study based learning gives more knowledge to the students rather than book learning also. So this activity, I guess this activity will play a major role where we have discussed about the sensors, actuators, controllers, and how to take feedback from the sensors and give to the controllers, and finally the required data is achieved. Thank you.